In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Sonos support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is open up a web browser and head on over to sonos.com. Now, once you're on their official website, you want to click on support. It should be near the top of the page here. So go ahead and tap on support. And now scroll down. Keep scrolling down. And then it will say get support. We can help answer questions and solve problems, chat with a technician, or give us a call. So click on the big contact us button. And now here you go. So here's the phone numbers will be here. I'm in Australia, so it's going to give me an Australian phone number to call. Or if you'd rather speak to a representative from Sonos, go ahead and click on start a chat. And also you can change your region to see live chat options in other language as well.